Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about another huge airdrop that might come on the Cosmos ecosystem. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the airdrop that we are going to talk about is called as MilkTia Airdrop, which I will show you in some time. So all you have to do is basically you will need to stake your TIA tokens, and the process I will explain you in detail in this video. So as you can see, I've already qualified for the dimension airdrop, and the minimum amount of dimension tokens that I will receive is like 80.27. If less people claim it, then I would be eligible for more. So there are a lot of airdrops that are coming on the Cosmos ecosystem. So I would advise is to hold a decent portfolio in majorly coins like Atom, Celestia, then there is Kujira, then Injective, Stars, and there are a few others. So I will make separate videos for them. So for qualifying for MilkTia, all you have to do is you will need to go to this website called as app.milkyway.zone, and here you will need to stake your TIA tokens. Now in case if you don't have TIA tokens, you can buy it on Get.io using the link in the description, where you can get up to $6,666 worth of sign up bonuses. So once you have USDT on your Get.io account, all you have to do is you will need to go in trade, click on spot and search TIA over here, and this interface will load up. Now once this interface loads up, you can either place a limit order if you want to buy TIA at a particular price point, or maybe you can directly go with the current market price and put in the amount of TIA and simply buy it. Now here I would advise is at least take one TIA token in order to qualify for the airdrop. In this case I've already staked 5, so I've got like 5 MilkTia. I will show you the use cases of MilkTia in some time. So basically once you put in the amount, this is the exchange rate, and there is some approximate cost that you have to incur, and you will be getting MilkTia. Now if we go down over here and check this, will I qualify for TIA airdrops if I stake with Milky Way? So they have mentioned that we are working on a solution to distribute airdrops token to MilkTia holders, and will share more details when it's confirmed. So most probably there is a 90% plus chance that there will be a huge airdrop that would be coming in Milky Way. We have seen in the past that there were good airdrops like Jito and few others. So there is a huge possibility that these airdrops can make you very rich. We are talking about 4 to 5 figures over here with doing very little amount of work. Now once you have staked your TI, you will get MilkTia. You can either go ahead and withdraw this. So for withdrawing you will need to wait for minimum 21 to 24 days. Or alternatively you can swap your TIA. So all you have to do is you will need to click on discover over here, and over here you have to select maybe MilkTia. As you can see, I have already have like MilkTia, and here you can swap with other tokens, whichever token you want, or maybe you can swap for TIA also over here. So if I click on max, as you can see, I will be getting like 4.88 TIA. And I would advise is always have like a decent amount staked on the Cosmos ecosystem, because the airdrops are pretty good enough. Now if we go over here and click on discover, there are more things that you can do with this MilkTia token. For example, you can go to Demex or Kasar Finance. These are some additional steps. This cannot guarantee you airdrops, but there might be a possibility that this can increase the chance of you getting the airdrop. So in Kasar, you can go ahead and deposit this MilkTia, where you will be getting like a net APR of 10%. Uh, Although I mean the total deposited amount is full versus the deposit cap. So the deposit cap is already finished, but these are some additional steps that you can do. Or maybe you can go to Demex over here, and you can maybe swap, trade, or lend and borrow. There are a lot of things that you can do on Demex. So these are some of the additional steps that you can do. So don't forget to always interact with this dexes, because this might increase your chance of getting airdrops. Also I would suggest is you go to Leap wallet over here, or maybe Kepler wallet for example. So I'm waiting for it to load. and I'm on my Osmosis network right now, as you can see. So you can go ahead and stake some Osmosis or any other tokens over here to qualify for additional airdrops. And apart from this, I would suggest is always participate in this governance voting, because at times this might help you qualify for airdrops on the Cosmos ecosystem. Now with regards to staking on Cosmos, I have made a different video as to what coins and how many coins you will need to stake in order to qualify for different airdrops. So please go ahead and have a look at it. And this was all about airdrops for MilkTia. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.